So as the weather gets warmer, your fridge is naturally going to work harder. So there are certain things you can do to try and help it. This is an external coil product. These have been around for a long time, and they have a habit of getting dust build up on them and things like that. If you can just run a vac over there, if you can get to them easily enough, that'll help them work more effectively. The dust works as a mild insulator and things like that. But also don't get them too close to the wall or anything like that. So read in your instruction manual if you can to see what the recommended gap for airflow is to allow it to cool itself properly, and try and stick with that. And even if you do a bit more, if you can do that, it's not going to hurt. It just helps for it to cool itself naturally, so it should last longer and the running costs are lower. This design is a moderner design. As you can see, these are placed within inside that, so they won't have any dust build up, and these are being used increasingly more and more. You still need to give it a bit of space for airflow because the heat will still be here, and obviously you've got non-flammable backs on all these products now. But yeah, this is kind of what most modern products are now using, but not all, as you can see. But yeah, give it airspace.